Now on to community. Where do you find community in your life? Is it the place where you live? Is it with a group of people? Or is it on a cause that you share with others? Community is a process in which people work together in solidarity for social justice at the community level. Community is basic to social justice, and community is when people come together in solidarity to do more together than any one of them could do acting alone. Community is often described in terms of trust, cohesion, and cooperation. It finds its expression in a place where people live, such as a neighborhood where there is trust, cohesion, and cooperation. Or in people with similar social characteristics, such as their race, ethnicity, or social class. Or in the issues about which they care, such as fighting discrimination in the schools. When people are working together in their neighborhood, or when people are working together with other people with whom they share social characteristics, or when they are fighting discrimination in the schools, this often contributes to their mutual trust, to their cohesion, and their cooperation. But when community is about working together, it becomes a unit of solution. It's a verb, not a noun, and perhaps a better term is not community, but rather community building. Community building is a powerful force in which individuals band together to solve a problem. It's also a social justice issue, especially when some individuals have fewer resources than others to address a situation that is calling out for community. Here's an example of young people working together, simply stated, in a community service project.